too. All right, today we're going to bring a Steam Deck cover, and if you guys can see it, there's a couple accessories available with it too. So we got 2 cleaning materials and 2 additional glass. All right, and these are great for the actual Steam Deck. They fit very good. If you guys have one or own one or are about to buy one, you want to make a good investment, this is a great way to keep protecting your investment. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to put it together and see how it works. Including, they give you 2 knobs, and these are actually so sweat proof kind of thing. It's like a silicone base. They're pretty good for gripping for all movements, and they give you 2 of them for each one. All right, so we're going to take a look at it, and first of all, we're going to take a look at the cover and see how it works. On the cover itself, if you guys notice, there's a lot of vents and cutouts, all right? Especially the vent for the actual CPU, GPU that goes in the back, 2 for the actual handheld, and then 2 for the actual trigger part. So if you guys notice, there's also indentations here. There are for the joysticks when they stick out, because if you guys notice, this has not a strict profile, but there's actually a high-end profile here on this end where the actual joysticks stick out. So that's what the cover needs it for. So let's take a look at it and put it together. You guys can see there's a lock here, so when you're actually holding it, the Steam Deck doesn't fall, but it's easy to unlock. You just lift it up, it opens up. Now let's take a look at the actual vents itself. In the back, you got the actual cutouts for your vents in the back, for your Type-C connection, your triggers. If you guys can see, it doesn't distract or get in the way of your gaming. All you got to do is open it up, turn it on, and play your games. And of course, we are going to set up the actual cover, but right now we have one right now. We don't have to set up and replace it. But those 2 come in handy, because if you break them, you obviously have extra ones. Now the game padding is easy to adjust, easy to move from here. Vents in the back for the CPU, GPU. I like the fold out. This fold out, easy to close. And this is perfect for if you're going to be traveling, put in anything in your backpack, and you don't want to scratch your actual screen or break it. This is a perfect way to travel. If you're going to give something like this as a gift, a Steam Deck, I recommend you guys getting the actual cover as an extra gift too, as a stocking stuffer too. So hope you guys enjoy the video. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.